In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Excel step by step. Whether you want to import an existing spreadsheet into Monday or export your boards back into Excel for reporting and sharing, this complete guide will walk you through everything you need to know. If you work with data, projects, or team collaboration, this integration can save you a huge amount of time. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's talk about importing Excel into Monday.com. This is perfect if you already have a spreadsheet built in Excel and you want to bring it into Monday to turn it into a fully functional collaborative board. Start by logging into your Monday.com account and going to your workspace. Once you're inside your workspace, look for the Add button. Click on Add, then choose New Board. This is where you'll create the board that will hold your imported Excel data. Instead of starting from scratch, select Import Data. From the list of options, choose Import from Excel. Monday.com will now prompt you to upload your file. Select your .xls or .xlsx file directly from your computer and upload it. Once the file uploads, Monday will automatically read your spreadsheet and begin preparing it for import. This is where one of the most important steps happens: column mapping. You'll need to map your Excel columns to Monday.com column types. For example, if you have a column for task status, you can map it to a status column. If you have numbers like budgets or quantities, map those to the numbers column type. Dates should be mapped to the date column, and plain information can go into text columns. Take your time during this step to make sure everything matches correctly. Proper column mapping ensures your data works smoothly inside Monday, especially if you plan to use automations, dashboards, or integrations later. Once you've mapped all your columns, click Finish Import. Monday.com will now convert your spreadsheet into a fully functional board. Just like that, your static Excel sheet becomes an interactive workspace where you can assign team members, set statuses, add automations, and track progress visually. Now, let's look at the other side of the integration: exporting Monday.com boards to Excel. This is extremely useful if you need to share reports with someone who doesn't use Monday, or if you want to analyze your data further in Excel using formulas, pivot tables, or charts. To export a board, open the board you want to download. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, look for the Export option. Click on it and then choose Export to Excel. Monday.com will generate an Excel file containing your board's data. Depending on the size of your board, this may take a few seconds. Once it's ready, the file will download to your computer as an Excel spreadsheet. You can open it immediately in Microsoft Excel and start working with your data offline. Keep in mind that exporting is a snapshot of your board at that moment in time. If you make changes in Monday later, you'll need to export again to get the updated version in Excel. By combining both import and export features, you create a flexible workflow between Monday.com and Microsoft Excel. You can bring legacy spreadsheets into Monday for better collaboration, and then export updated project data back into Excel for advanced reporting or sharing with stakeholders. That's how you integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Excel, both by importing spreadsheets into Monday and exporting boards back to Excel. It's simple, powerful, and incredibly useful for managing projects and data efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.